of decimals. Already we have seen multiplication of decimals, and also we saw the exercise also in the previous videos. And now the today's topic is division of decimals, and we will see the exercise also. Okay. Now with some examples I will explain, and afterwards we will see the exercise 2.7. So now division by 10, 100, 1000. Okay. First we will take one example, that is 31.5 divided by 10. Okay. 31.5 divided by 10. This is a decimal dividing by 10. Very easy method I will tell you. See, 31.5 means what? 315 by 10 divided by 10. Okay. You know 315 by 10 division, if it converts into multiplication, this 10 by 1 will become the reciprocal of 1 by 10. Okay. This you have done already, reciprocals, multiplication of fractions. So this is nothing but numerator to numerator, 315 divided by 1000. So how can you write this? Here 3 zeros, leave the 3 places, give 1 point. 0.315 is the answer. Very simple. The same way with 100 we will do one. 22.6 divided by 100. Okay. 226 by 10. 22.6 means 226 by 10 divided by 100. Now 226 by 10. This division is changing into multiplication. If it changes to division to multiplication, this will become the reciprocal, that is 1 by 100. Sorry, 1 by 100. So 226 by 1000. This is equal to 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 places we have to leave 0.226. So this is what the method of using decimals divided by 10 or 10 and multiples of 100. Okay. So by this here on in your page number 52 you can see, and you can do those all fill-ups, you can fill up. Next, one more type of division is there. Division of a decimal number by a whole number. Division of a decimal number by a whole number. See how it will be. Suppose 64 point or 6.4 divided by 2. 6.4 divided by 2. Very simple steps I will tell you. 6.4 can be written as 64 by 10 divided by 2. 64 by 10, this will be into, this will be the reciprocal. Okay. Now we will do 2 ones are 2, 32s are. This is what? 32 by 10, or this is nothing but 3.2. See, very simple way we have done it. Okay. This is what? Decimal divided by whole number. And you can refer your textbook for the points or for the theory purpose and all. Next, one more example I will take. 12.96 divided by 4. See, 1296 divided by 100. This will be into, this is 1 by 4. Okay. Now 4 ones are 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 1 remain, 4 4s are. So this is 324 by 100. This is nothing but 2 places. 3.24 is the answer. Okay. Like this you can do it. Like this, so many, for this also different ways are there. But this method is very easiest method. Okay. Now decimal by decimal. If both are decimals, how to do? Now what we have done? Decimal number divided by 10 or decimal by divided by 100, decimal by 1000 we have seen. Afterwards decimal by a whole number we have seen. Decimal by whole number. Now decimal by decimal. See, for example I will take 25 by 5 divided by 0.5. Okay. Now see, 25 by 5 means what? 0.5 means 255 by 10 divided by 5 by 10. Now 255 by 10, when this converts into multiplication, this will become 10 by 5. Okay, 10 cancel, 5 ones are 5, 50 ones are, answer is 51. So this is what method of solving. Same method, fractions what you have learned, those some steps you have to follow here, and this you know how to write the decimals into fraction. So with the help of that you can solve. Now we will do the exercise 2.7. In that so many variety of problems we are having. When we solve them one by one, you will become still more perfect in this. Okay. Now exercise 2.7. Okay. First one, find 0.4 divided by 2. Okay. Now 0.4 can be written as 4 by 10 divided by 2. So 4 by 10, division can be written into multiplication. This 2 will be changing into 1 by 2. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are. This is 2 by 10 is equal to 0.2. Answer is 0.2. Then next, second one, 0.35 divided by 5. See here, 35 by 100 divided by 5. 35 by 100 into 1 by 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are, that is 7 by 100 is equal to 0.07. Third one, 2.48 divided by 4. 248 divided by 100 into, direct I can do, into 1 by 4. See now, 4 ones are, 4 sixes are, 4 twos are. Okay. Now 62 by 100. This is 0.62. Next, fourth one, 65.4 divided by 6. 654 by 10 into 1 by 6. 6 ones are 6. Here 0. Here see, 6 nines are. Okay. 54. Now this is 109 by 10. This is 10.9 is the answer. Then next one is fifth one, that is 651.2 divided by 4. 6512 divided by 10 into 1 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 2 remain 25. 4 sixes are 24, 1 remain. Then 4 twos are 8, 3, 4 eights are 32. That is 1628 by 10. Answer is 162.8. This you can't cancel like this, means you can divide it. You take it in the working column and divide and get this one. Divided by 10. Divided by 10 means after one place you have to give the decimal point. This is what the fifth one. Now the same way we'll do sixth one. Sixth, 14.49 divided by 7. See, 1449 divided by 100 into 1 by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14, 0, 7 sevens are 49. That is 207 by 100 is equal to 2.07. Next, seventh one, 3.96 divided by 4. 396 by 100 into 1 by 4. 4 ones are 4 nines are 36. 3 remained. Again 4 nines are. So 99 by 100. That is 0.9900 is there. No? Two places we have to leave. Then next comes eighth one. That is 0.80 divided by 5. See, 0.80 by 100 into 1 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 sixes are 30. So 16 by 100 is equal to 0.16 is the answer. This is what the first main. Okay. Next the copy this on. I'll do the second main. Now the second main, find in that first one 4.8 divided by 10. Okay. Now 4.8 can be written as 48 by 10 divided by 10. So 48 by 10 into 1 by 10. So 48 by 10 into 10 is 100. This is nothing but 0.48. Next, 52.5 divided by 10. See, 525 by 10 divided by 10. 525 by 10 into 1 by 10. That is 525 by 100. That is after two places 5.25 is the answer. Same method. Once you understand, very easy to solve. 0.7 divided by 10. That can be written as 7 by 10 divided by 10. 7 by 10 into 1 by 10. So 7 by 100. That is 0.07 is the answer. Next, 33.1 divided by 10. 331 by 10 into 1 by 10. So 331 by 100. That is 3.31. Next, fifth one, 272.23. 272.23 divided by 10. 27223 by 100 into 1 by 10. So 27223 by 1000. So that is after three places. 27.223 is the answer. Okay. Then next, sixth one. Sixth problem. 0.56 divided by 10. So this is 56 by 100 divided by 10. 56 by 100 into 1 by 10. 56 by 1000 is equal to 0.056. 3 places, here 3 places. This will be the answer. Okay. Then next, last one, 3.97 divided by 10. So 397 by 100 into 1 by 10. 397 by 1000 is equal to 0.397 is the answer. This is what second main. First one, 2.7 divided by 100. 2.7 can be written as 27 by 10 divided by 100. So 27 by 10 into 1 by 100. So that is 27 by 1000. 100 into 10 is 1000. So here 2 places are there. 3 places we have to leave. 1 we have to give 0.027 is the answer. Then second one, 0.3 divided by 100. 3 by 10 divided by 100. 3 by 10 into 1 by 100. 3 by 1000. So 3 places we have to leave. 1 place is there already. 0.003 will be the answer. Then next, third one, 0.78 divided by 100. So 78 by 100 divided by 100. So 78 by 100 into 1 by 100. So 78 by 10,000. So that is after 4 places, 0.0074 will be the answer. Next, fourth one, 432.6 divided by 100. 4326 by 10 into 1 by 100. So 4326 divided by 1000, that is 4.326. This is fourth problem. The next, fifth one, 23.6 divided by 100, that is 236 by 10 into 1 by 100. 236 by 1000, that is 0.236 is the answer. Then the last one, that is the sixth one, I do here only, that is 98.53 divided by 100. Okay, now 9853 by 100 into 1 by 100. So 9853 divided by 10,000. So 0.9853 will be the answer. This is what third main, all the 6 sums I have done. Then the next one is fourth and fifth. Again the sixth main is home assignment. Now the fourth main. Fourth main, first one. .9 divided by 1000. Okay, this is 79 by 10 divided by 1000. 79 by 10 into 1 by 1000. that is 79 by 10,000. How to give the point? Here 2 places are there, here 4 places we have to leave. So 0.0079 will be the answer. Okay, this is what fourth main I am doing now. Next, second one. Fourth main, second one. 26.3 divided by 1000. 263 by 10 divided by 1000. 263 by 10 into 1 by 1000. 263 by 10,000, that is after 4 places. 0, 2, 6, 3. Next, third one. 38.53 divided by 1000, that is 3853 by 100 into 1 by 1000. So 3853 by 10,000. After 10,000 means 4 places. Here the point will come. Fourth one. Yes, that is only correct what I have done is. So that is 0.03853 after 5 places. Next, fourth one. 128.9 divided by 1000, that is 1289 by 10 into 1 by 1000, that is 1289 by 10,000, that is after 4 places, that means 0.1289 will be the answer. Next, fifth one and last one in this main, that is 0.5 divided by 1000. 5 by 10 into 1 by 1000. So 5 by 10,000. So after 4 places, 0.0005. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the answer. So this is what the fourth way. Fifth main, first one, 7 divided by, now whole number by decimal. 7 divided by 35. Okay. Now 7, here 7 by 1 it is, into, or 7 divided by 3.5 will write. So 7 by 1 into 3.5 can be written as here 35 by 10. Here when we take into 10 by 35. Okay. Now 7 ones are, 7 fives are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Answer is 2. Second one, 36 divided by 0.2. See here, 36 divided by 0.2 means 2 by 10. So 36 into 10 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 18s are, 18 tens are, 180 is the answer. Next, third one, 3.25 divided by 0.5. See here, 3.25 can be written as 325 by 100 divided by 5 by 10. So 325 by 100 into 10 by 5. 0, 0 got cancelled. 5 ones are 5 6s are 30. 5 65s are 65 by 10. Our answer is 6.5. Then next, the fourth one, 30.94 divided by 0.7. So this equal to 3094 divided by 100 divided by 7 by 10. So 3094 divided by 100 into 10 by 7. 0, 0 got cancelled. Here 7 4s are 28, 2 remained, 29, 7 3s are 21, 84. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are. Or if you cannot do like this directly, means you can take this into the working column and solve out. So this is 4312 by 10 is equal to 431.2 will be the answer. Next, fifth one, 0.5 divided by 0.25. This is nothing but 5 by 10 divided by 25 by 100. So 5 by 10 into 100 by 25. 0, 0 got cancelled. 5 ones are 5 5s are 5 ones are 5 2s are. Answer is 2. So the sixth one is 7.75 divided by 0.25. See here, 775 by 100 divided by 25 by 100. So 775 by 100 into 100 by 25. 1. Okay. 75 ones are 75, 3s are 75. Here 2 remain. 75, 25 no? Ones are. So the answer is 31. Okay. Then the next one, that is seventh one, 76.5 divided by 0.15. See here, 765 by 10 divided by 15 by 100. So 765 by 10 into 100 by 15. 10, 10 got cancelled. 15 5s are 75, 1 remained, 1s are. So that is 51 into 10 is 510 is the answer. Next, eighth one, that is 37.8 divided by 1.4. 378 by 10 divided by 14 by 10. 378 by 10 into 10 by 14 got cancelled. So 14 2s are 28, 98, 14. So better you take here 378 divided by 14. 14 2s are 24. Okay. Next, 14 sevens are 14 nines are 14 nines are 126. So 29 integer 12 by 14. 29 integer 12 by 14. 2 6 are 2 7 are. So 29, it is your 6 by 7 will be the answer. So this like this in the working column you can work out the things. Then the ninth one, the last one I do here only, that is 2.73 divided by 1.3. 273 by 100 divided by 13 by 10. 273 by 100 into 10 by 13. 13 2s are 26, 21. That is 21 by 10 is equal to 2.1 will be the answer. So this is what all the 9 problems finished in the 5th May. 6th is also home assignment. See, this also can be done in the home assignment book. By this, the chapter completed, second chapter completed. See, before completing this, I want to make one notification that for the first chapter and second chapter, I want to come on live. One day I am going to fix the day. That day you all have to come online. I want to clarify your doubts. First day I will clarify the doubts from the first chapter, and another day I will fix next week. Another day I will fix in that day the doubts from the second chapter. I am going to solve it. That day you all have to come online. Okay, along with me in the online you have to come. So we will meet that day. Okay, now second chapter finished. In the next session I am going to start the third chapter. Okay, thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.